It is rather sunny, but at the same time quite cold day, below 10 degrees, so it's not enough really energy for tulips to open in full. However, I will show you how much they manage to open and how beautiful these flowers are. So let's first look on this interesting tulips, and you see will be more of those coming. Some open already quite a lot, and it really took many hours before they opened that I can show to you. So it's 3 o'clock now, and they just about managed to open. Let's see this one. Alright. See, of course, whole garden is in full glory. It's a lot of sunshine, but even with all that sunshine, it's quite difficult for tulips to open if it's not warm enough. Basically, you almost see kind of physics here in action. Not enough energy, then they cannot really open in full. Very beautiful small ones. Tulips is also very interesting to see, not just from the side like that, but also what is inside. It's various symmetries, quite beautiful. Right, let's see if we can somehow walk in that direction to show you something very beautiful here. In full sunshine for many hours, these tulips finally managed to open quite substantially. And they're absolutely gorgeous, both from the top, but also from the side. Look how beautiful they also look from the side view and all together. There's some tiny small tulips here in isolation. And some very unusual tulip is here. Look on that beauty. And managed to open. It's neighboring those tulips which I already showed you before. Quite spectacular ones. These tulips already almost finished. See, they're fading away. That kind of monster tulip did not manage to open in full today. Still quite beautiful. Let's see this one. It's the only tulip of that color and shape. Like dark, gorgeous tulip. Couple of multicolored tulips open up here. Literally couple. Try to show them from all directions if possible. Something is trying to open here. There are these blue flowers, and if you see how this field of tiny tulips look like. Right, so we have here those pink tulips about to fade away, maybe in 1 day or so. So far they're here. And see those almost all gone. These tulips, which are called cabbage-like, red cabbage one, they're still fine. They did not manage to open in full. They look very nice. Here we have shadow, so those tulips actually, see, they did not try to open really much. A collection of various colors. These ones as well. In English garden, you always can have some color, one after another, if you plant things correctly. For instance, you see that daffodils are already fading away. There are a few remainings left, but they dying out. They look like this. And the same happens to hyacinths. They also fade away slowly. There are only few remains. But then you have another ones coming, wild relatives of daffodils called bluebells. They're native to these isles, and you can have them now to observe. They're very beautiful. They're not as dense as hyacinths, but they have very similar shape, flowers, extremely beautiful. And if you have many of them, you can have very nice view like this. Look on this beauty. Fantastic. Some color is still here. Some later daffodils and started after another ones. So they're still quite okay. Look on that. And if you don't have flowers, you have some colored leaves. And faded flowers are beautiful as well. If you look on camellia shading and flowers on the grass, and the beautiful sunshine all across the lawn, and display of tulips make it so wonderful day.